see the good morning student. Yesterday we have see the elements of measuring systems, that means swipe, then transducer functions, types of transducer. Here we have see the two types of transducer, mechanical and electrical transducer. Today lecture we have see the active and passive transducer and analog and digital transducer. First, active and passive transducer. It is self-generating type and develop their own voltage and current. The energy required for production of an output signal is obtained from the physical system being measured. And that example is thermocouples, piezoelectric pickup and photovoltaic cell. The passive transducer are externally powered type and derive the power required for energy conservation for energy power source, and they absorb some energy from physical system being measured. Passive types transducer examples is resistance thermometer, thermistor and LVDT, linear variable differential transducer. Fourth, analog and digital transducer. Analog transducer are convert into input analog output, which is continuous function of time. An example is thermocouple, thermistor, strain gauge, LVDT, etc. Digital transducer are convert input into an electric output, which may be in form of pulse. Examples: electromagnetic frequency domain transducer, digital encoder transducer, optoelectric frequency domain transducer, etc. Then advantages of digital transducer. Use of digital computers along with the transducer for data manipulation is made easier. Digital signal pulse count frequency or sequences of digital codes output are not dependent on signal amplitudes and are thus easy to transmit without distortion and external noise. Increased accuracy in pulse count is possible. Then selection criteria of transducer. For mechanical suitability, size, shape, weight, mounting arrangement, rigidity, etc. Electric suitability is frequency response, signal transmission and sensitivity. Environmental suitability, supply frequency and voltage, magnetic fields, vibrations, humidity, dust, etc. Static and dynamic characteristics, accuracy, error, operating range, loading effect, power requirement, etc. And main is cost. These 5 points are main for selection of transducer. Then common types of other transducer is first spring, Bourdon tube pressure gauge, diaphragm pressure gauge, bellow pressure gauge. First four is mechanical and elastic pressure transducer. First for spring, Bourdon tube, diaphragm pressure gauge and bellow pressure gauge. This is mechanical and elastic pressure transducers. Then fifth, resistance strain gauge, piezoelectric transducers, linear variable differential transformers. That means short form was LVDT. 5, 6, 7, last 3 is electrical transducer, resistance strain, piezoelectric and LVDT. This is electrical type transducers. Then first is spring. It is simple transducer and measure force and convert into proportional displacement. And accuracy is 0.5 to 1%. How to work? See the figure. Input here apply the forces of spring and output is displacement. Other figure here see the types of spring, various form of applied forces and output is displacement. Then beam type spring, cantilever spring and torsional spring. Here is other examples of spring. So we have see the types of transducer main for mechanical, electrical, active and passive, and analog and digital transducer. Then we have see the common type of transducer: Bourdon tube, diaphragm, LVDT, strain, that type mechanical and electrical transducers. Thank you.